Hey everybody, this is Josh, and this is Josh Got Bored. So today we're going to be playing with my new disc and belt sander. Yeah! This thing is totally awesome. I just picked it up. It's brand new and sexy, and let's turn it on. That might be a problem. So, if you look, this isn't actually brand new. This is a second-hand model I got my hands on for free. Only problem with that is free items still cost you money. So, in this case, you can see where there's a hole where there should be a switch. There's no switch. I guess at some point someone cannibalized it. So, there was a grate on this I pulled off so I could get access to this. This is my switch. If I want to turn this on, I have to connect these two leads, which, needless to say, is not good. So, welcome to Safety Corner. The reason we do Safety Corner is certain things just should never be done. So, this sucker here pulls a fair amount of amps and everything like that, which, you know, will kill you if you say, make a connection with yourself. So if I were to turn this on, it makes a sparking popping that will, in essence, kill me. So what I need to do is attach something like this Carlington manual little switch here. Has a really nice pop I love. The problem is, however, it's more than just that. So I can feed these wires through here, but there's nothing attaching, and if I just attach a switch, that's just going to be ugly. So, at the very least, I need a threaded collar. So the reason we need this little threaded collar is because there's literally nothing holding this in place. This will fall out. So something like this, we'd have to attach just so that cable doesn't fall back in. So what we're going to do is make ourselves a new little bracket, little device we can put our switch in and throw it together. So now we have our 3D printed body for our switch and our little lid that snaps firmly on top. So if you'll notice, I did this funny shape here and here. This is to avoid the switch being accidentally bumped. So if this switch was just sitting on the side, I just move my body and click, click. This is a safety issue. So by having it inside here, this basically is a bump guard. So the first thing we're going to do is we got to pull off these fun little collars here for our little Carlin switch. Get that off. And then we're just going to pull this threaded collar off again, because this is what's going to hold our little switch box. So I'm just doing that loose for the moment, but you can see this is now on there. So the tricky bit is going to be this particular switch. Unfortunately requires a screw and a solder point, so we gotta do that in place. Yay! Okay, so we got the switch on, I haven't put the cover or the final bolt just because I want to make sure I wired this up correctly, but as you can see, can't hit the switch. Now I plugged it in, so now we're just going to see if it works. Now that definitely works. Now this is making some noise, so I'm going to have to look at bearings, stuff like that, but yeah.